Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's league. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day, out in the sun they sleep away, while we devoting food down to floating under the sea. Hey! Down here all the fish is happy, as off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy, they sad cause they in the bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky, they in for a worse of fate. One day when the boss get hungry, guess who's gonna be on the plate? Oh no, under the sea, under the sea. Nobody beat us, fry us and eat us in fricassee. We want the land for gloves to cook, under the sea we have the hook. We got no trouble, life is the bubbles under the sea. Under the sea. Since life is sweet here, we got the beat here naturally. Even the sturgeon and the ray, they got the earth to start to play. We got the spirit, we got to hear it under the sea. Under the sea, when the sardine begin to be green, it's music to me. What do they got? They love the sand. We got the hot crustacean band. Each little clam here know how to jam here under the sea. Each little slug here cutting a